All right, B's and G's, welcome back to the DT. Special shout out to Grace, clearly, for placing her order. This is number 30, okay? And this is a tough question. So there's a lot that we can discuss from what we just learned. Remember, there is a +0 right here that you can't see, that you don't need, but it might help us. This +1 inside the parentheses means we got to go left 1 and up 0. So if I put in a -1, I'm expecting to get 0. Let's see what we get. -1 + 1 is 0. Okay? 2 times 0 is 0. So we did indeed get 0. This 2 controls the slope, and it's a +2. So every time I go over 1, I'm going to go up 2. Okay? Does that make sense? And I'll just test some points to make sure I did it right. If I put in a 0, I get 2 times 1, I do get a 2. If I put in a -2, I get -1, absolute value is 1. 2 times 1 indeed is 2. So I'm convinced that I did it right. Now, this is a less than or equal to. So that means I'm not going to dash the line. The line is going to be filled in. But keep in mind, I have to shade this graph. And it's less than, okay? So I'm expecting it to be shaded below, but I always test a point. So 0, 0 should work. So I'm going to test it. You get 0 is less than 2. That is true. So since that is true, I know that 0, 0 will be in the answer set. And so I'll shade all of the answers. How many points satisfy this equation or this inequality? Infinite. I could not list infinite answers, so I have to use a graph to do that. And it's got to be a shaded graph. Hope that helps. Boom!